Ever notice how some farmers' market tables sell out before lunch, while others pack everything back into the truck? What if the secret was not a huge farm, but simply growing the right crops in a small space? Today, you will learn the top 10 fruits and vegetables that consistently sell best at farmers markets in 2026, especially for backyard growers, container gardeners, and small space producers. Some of these crops grow in pots, some grow straight up instead of out, and a few can earn surprising profits from a tiny garden bed. If you have ever wondered what to grow when space is limited but demand is high, this list might change the way you garden. Quick question before we begin. If you had to choose one crop to sell at a market tomorrow, what would it be? Leave it in the comments and see if it made the list. Let us get into the list. Pace yourself, take notes, and pick the crops that fit your space and your customers. Here are the winners. Cherry tomatoes are one of the most reliable sellers at farmers markets. They are colorful, snackable, and incredibly productive in small spaces. A single plant in a 5-gallon container can produce hundreds of tomatoes throughout the season. Customers love variety. Red, yellow, orange, and even purple cherry tomatoes create an eye-catching display. People often buy them by the pint because they are perfect for salads, lunch boxes, and quick snacks. Use deep containers or vertical cages. Choose productive varieties like Sun Gold or Sweet 100. Harvest every 2 to 3 days to keep plants producing. Cherry tomatoes have one serious problem. Gardeners say they grow them for the market. Then mysteriously, half the harvest disappears on the walk back to the house. If there is a champion of small space market farming, it is salad mix. These greens grow fast, require little space, and can be harvested multiple times. Fresh salad mix tastes dramatically better than store-bought greens. Once customers try it, they come back every week. You can harvest baby lettuce, arugula, spinach, and mustard greens together for a premium mix. Plant densely in shallow raised beds or containers. Harvest with scissors every 2 weeks. Replant continuously for steady supply. Would you rather grow salad greens every 2 weeks or wait months for one big harvest? Let me know below. Nothing pulls customers to a market table like fresh strawberries. The smell alone can stop people in their tracks. Farmers market strawberries taste sweeter than most store berries because they are picked fully ripe. Grow strawberries vertically. Stacked planters, hanging baskets, or strawberry towers can produce dozens of berries in a very small footprint. Garlic is a favorite among small-scale growers. It stores well, takes little space, and sells for premium prices. Home cooks love fresh garlic varieties that are rarely found in grocery stores. Hardneck garlic often commands higher prices because of flavor and uniqueness. Plant garlic in fall. Harvest in early summer, cure and store for months. Garlic scapes, the curly flower stems, are also a popular farmer's market item. 2 products from one plant. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow and one of the easiest to sell. Fresh basil smells incredible and pairs perfectly with tomatoes, pasta, and summer dishes. Grow in containers or raised beds. Harvest frequently to encourage bushy growth. Offer bundles or small potted plants. One whiff of basil at a market stand, and suddenly everyone believes they are about to cook the best pasta of their life. Cucumbers grow vertically, which makes them perfect for small gardens. Customers love fresh cucumbers for salads, pickles, and summer snacks. Offer both slicing cucumbers and pickling cucumbers. Different buyers want different uses. Use trellises to save space. Harvest daily during peak season. Consistent picking increases production. Hot peppers are one of the most profitable crops per square foot. Many customers want fresh peppers for sauces, salsa, and cooking. Unique varieties attract attention. Jalapeno, habanero, Thai chili grow in containers or raised beds. Use warm, sunny spots. Harvest. frequently. Do you prefer mild peppers or the kind that make you reach for a glass of milk? Microgreens are tiny plants harvested when they are just a few inches tall. They may be small, but they sell at premium prices. Restaurants and health-conscious customers love their flavor and nutrition. They grow indoors or outdoors and require very little space. Use shallow trays. Harvest in 10 to 14 days. Grow varieties like sunflower, pea shoots, and radish. Some growers produce hundreds of dollars worth of microgreens in the space of a kitchen table. Zucchini is famous for one thing: it produces a lot, sometimes more than anyone planned. Fresh zucchini is perfect for grilling, baking, and summer meals. Choose compact bush varieties for small gardens. Harvest young and tender for best flavor. Every summer, someone grows too much zucchini. Neighbors suddenly become very popular. Blueberries are a long-term crop that sells extremely well. Fresh blueberries are healthy, sweet, and loved by almost everyone. Use large containers with acidic soil. Dwarf blueberry varieties grow well on patios. Plant 2 varieties for better pollination. Use mulch to retain moisture. Harvest gently to avoid bruising. So what are the biggest takeaways from today? First, the most successful farmers market crops are often small space friendly. Second, high demand crops tend to be fresh, flavorful, and difficult for grocery stores to match. And third, the best growers focus on productivity per square foot, not garden size. The top performers again are cherry tomatoes, salad, mixed greens, strawberries, garlic, basil, cucumbers, hot peppers, microgreens, zucchini, blueberries. If you are just getting started, begin with the easiest and fastest option. Start with salad greens or basil. Bonus tip: grow crops that look beautiful on a market table. Colorful displays attract customers before they even know what they want to buy. Which crop from this list would you grow first in a small garden or container? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical growing tips.